Okay, so this is the outside of our new home. Heading inside, here's our door. Very dramatic opening. This is the half bath. That's where it goes to the garage. Storage under the steps. The kitchen, bar stool's right here. Put a dinette or a little kitchenette table over here. Cupboard. Our fridge will go here. This opens up into like the dining room area. It's upstairs. This would be the living room, dining room, and then the downstairs closed-in lanai, which overlooks the backyard of the community. And that's a light that Greg wanted to